Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. Today we're going to see the Google Play service has been stopping, so you can solve this problem by using this method. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So if Google Play service automatically stopping, you can go to the setting in your mobile phone, go to the apps and manage apps, find the Play Store here. So this can be fixed by using clearing the data of the Play Store or clear the cache data of the Play Store. So this is the proven method. So many solution had been used, but this solution had been clearly proven and it has been worked. So after clearing the cache data on the Google Play service and clearing the erase all data on the Google Play service, it had been worked. So just follow this method. So after opening the Play Store, the apps has been installing, and you can also update your Play service on your Play Store. So this is another way that you can stop this Play Store stopping can be fixed. If your Play service has been not found, you can install the carrier service. So these are also the supporting apps for the Play Store. So try this method, and if it worked, just comment below so many people can understand this method is working or not. Please comment below whether it's working on your mobile phone or not. Friends, if you find this video useful, you find the solution, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below to have more content about the YouTube tips and Instagram tips. And we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.